Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, with me again, Cikgu Faizal. So we are going to look at our self exercise 2.8. Okay, for the Form 5 additional mathematics. Okay, so I gave it to you the questions number 1, C, D, and number 3, A, B, C, K. So we are going to do the first one over here, which is our first question. Okay. Number 1, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the following curve at the given points. Okay, what did we have? The first one here for A. Okay, we have fx. Okay, I'm going to change this one. Means that this one I'm going to get 2x plus 1 and 1 over 2 lah. Right. So if you look over here, what should we do first is that I'm going to do the first differentiation. So if you look over here, first one I bring front, so you're going to get 1 over 2, and then this one I just copy back in the bracket, and then I do the differentiation in the bracket over here. I'm going to get 2. Sorry, this one I'm going to get minus 1, so this is going to be negative 1 over 2, which means 2 times with 1 over 2 over here, 2 times with 1 over 2, I'm going to get 1. So you are going to get the first differentiation over here is going to be 1 over 2x plus 1 square root, because the one is negative 1 over 2, right? Okay, so it's given to us the first over here when our x here is 4. So what should you do over here? I'm going to substitute. Okay, when our value of x equals to 4, so I'm gonna get substitute into the equation we have over here after we done the first representation there. We substitute the value of our x. So what happened is we're going to copy back this one, square root of 2, and this one you're going to substitute with 4 plus 1. Okay, so if you're using your calculator, you're going to get this one is 1 over square root of 9, so means that you are going to get 1 over 3 when we have the value of x is 1 over 3. Okay, so if you look over here, if I want to find my equation of tangent using the formula, right? Equation of tangent, what is the formula? Y minus with y1, am I right? So if you look over here, you have the value of y over here is 3, this one, from our coordinate there. Okay, so we are going to have our tangent equation. Okay, y minus with y3 just now equals to, okay, what we have over here is going to be our first differentiation is 1 over 3, and you are going to have the x minus with x1, which is this one, x minus with 4, right? Okay, so what you are going to do over here, of course lah, this one I'm going to times everything with 3, because this one I got 1 over 3, right? This one. So I'm going to times first. If you want to do the what you do, expand also can, but I want to make my equation here is more simple. So what I'm going to get this one is 3y minus with 9 equals to x minus with 4 only, right? So this one, what you are going to get is 3y minus with x, negative 9 bring to the other side, is going to be 5, and 9 minus with 4 is 5. That's going to be my equation of tangent equation. Okay, and then the question is asking for normal. Normal going to be what? For normal over here, if you look, we are going to use the where's the value of, okay, this one for normal, our 1 over 3, so it's going to be okay, from the what we call, from the formula here, equation of our normal over here. Normal equation, right? Oh, okay, never mind. So what are going to do have over here? Y minus also with 3, but this one is different, is you are going to get this one is a negative 3, okay, according to our formula lah. So x here going to be minus with our x also. So what happened over here? Equation of normal, you are going to get, you know, right, how to get normal. How did we get normal? From what? This one, from the tangent of equation 1 over 3, right? This is going to be our first gradient, m1 m2 equals to negative 1, right? So this one is 1 over 3. So m2 here for the normal, negative 1. So if I bring to the other side, you are going to get what? 1 over 3 bring to the other side is going to be negative 3. So that one you are going to use. Okay. Okay. This is for the where over here. Okay. This one is coming from that one. Okay, this one you know already, right? Our tangent of equation and the normal is going to be perpendicular. Okay, so what you are going to get over here, okay, expand only. So what you are going to have is y minus with 3 equals to negative 3x plus with 12, which means I'm going to get this one is y equals to negative 3x plus with 15, right? Okay, that's going to be for our number 1C. Number 1C. Okay, for D here, we are gonna have, okay, so this one, what happened? We are going to use what? Quotient, right? This is U, this is going to be V. Okay, so if I want to have first one over here, I'm going to get x plus 1. So du over dx, I'm going to get only 1 lah. And for our v here, x minus 1, so dv over dx also, I'm gonna get 1. Okay, so I'm going to do my first differentiation over here. So what I'm gonna get is u dv over the v first, v du dx, right? V. So I'm gonna get this one, x minus 1 with du dx is 1 minus with our u, which is x plus 1 with dv dx is going to be 1 over they want be careful with our v square. So you're going to get x minus 1 square, right? So what happened over here, I'm going to get x minus 1 with this one, if we do the the expand over here, also going to be minus x minus with 1, right? So means that x with x finish. Okay, I just copy x minus 1 minus with x minus 1, right? Over x minus 1 square. Okay, so what you are going to have over here, this one simplify down, negative 1 is going to be negative 2. So for our first differentiation over here, I'm going to get negative 2x minus 1 square. Okay, so what we have for our point over here, okay, when x equals to 3, okay, we are going to have x equals to 3. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to substitute for our value of x here with 3. So by using the first differentiation that we got just now, I'm going to get negative 2 over, this is going to be 3 minus 1 square. So 3 minus 1 is going to be 2 square for 2, so negative 1 over 2 lah. Okay, so now I can do my equation of tangent. Okay, so I got over here already the point. Okay, our x here is 3 and our y here is going to be 2. Okay, so for our equation of the tangent, okay, tangent first, okay, tangent y minus with y1 is 2 just now. equals to, this one we have already, our first m over here is negative 1 over 2, and then x minus with x, there is 3, right? So of course lah, this one, like just now, I'm going to times by 2 because this one we got what? 1 over 2, right? Okay, so you are going to have this one as y, 2 times y is 2y minus with 4 equals to x minus x, no, sorry, negative x, negative, this one, okay, we're going to get positive 3 over here. Okay, so if I want to find my y over here for positive lah, of course, I'm going to get negative x with plus 7. Okay, and then for the normal over here, if you look, you're going to get what? M1, M2 equals to negative 1. This one, M1 here is negative 1 over 2. Of course, lah. M2 here is going to be 2, right? For normal. Okay, so for normal over here, what you are going to get? Y minus with 2, 2x minus 3. Okay, remember, right? How to get 2 here? This one, M1, M2 lah. Okay, like what we done just now. So what we have over here, you are going to get y minus 2 equals to 2x minus with 6. So means that you are going to get your y over here is going to be 2x with negative 4. Okay, that's for our normal here. Okay, that's going to be for our number one, C and D. Okay, now we are going to, okay, wait, yeah, I'm going to have my number 3. Okay, if you look over here, okay, what did we have? A tangent and a normal, okay, is drawn to the curve. Okay, y equals to x square root of 1 minus 2x at x equals to negative 4. Okay, find the value of dy dx at x equals to negative 4. So what should we do over here? I'm going to have my y over here first. Okay, so the equation here, I'm going to change first x, and then in bracket over here 1 minus 2x. This is going to be 1 over 2 lah. Right, so if I'm going to do my first one over here, which is dy dx, means that, okay, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have, okay, so dy dx for this one, bring first 1 over 2, so this one I'm gonna get x first. So first bracket over here, what did I get is bring 1 over 2 to the front, 1 over 2, and inside the bracket I just copy back. Okay, and then that one is minus 1, so 1 over 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 1 over 2, right? And inside the bracket I'm going to get only negative 2, right? Isn't it? And then what happened over here, I'm gonna get my supposedly it's gonna be 1 over 2x 1 over 2, and then I'm times with 1 lah, this one, right? So this one I'm gonna change back. This one also I can change it back. Okay, negative 2 and 2 over here, simplify. So I'm gonna get negative 1 times x is negative x, and then I'm gonna bring this one as my square root back, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna get over 1 minus 2x lah, right? For this also I'm going to change back. I'm gonna get only that one going to be plus with 1 minus with 2x square root, because that one times 1 only, right? Okay, what happened here? If you look over here, we are going to times with our quotient here, right? Negative x, you are going to have over here because this one is different denominator. Okay, remember this one is going to be over 1, right? So we are going to times with itself. So square root is square root, you're going to get square, so we can have over here negative x plus back with that one. Am I right? Right? Because we are going to change this one, everything here, to get our 1 over here become the denominator. Means that what happened? Okay, I just explain a little bit over here. 1 minus 2x, you are going to have over here times with the same one, 1 over 2x. So what happened over here? 1 minus 1, this one we can simplify, right? So you're going to get over here 1 with minus 2x. Yeah, sorry, this one you are going to get 1 minus 2x also. Okay, so we are going to get this one is negative x plus with 1 minus 2x over square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay, so what happened next? If you look over here, this one is our like terms. I can simplify that one. So means that 1 minus 3x. I'm going to get this one is 1 minus 3x over square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay. Just now the question at x equals to negative 4, right? So over here, when we are going to get x equals to negative 4, okay, so what you are going to do, we are going to substitute everything x over here with 4. So what you are going to get, this one is 1 minus with 3, this is going to be 4, okay, when x equals to 4, okay, over, okay, square root of 1 minus with 2, 4 over here. Okay, so this one, what I'm gonna get, 1 minus with 12 is gonna be, negative 4 lah. Sorry. Negative 3, negative 4 is gonna be negative 12. So, positive 12, 1 plus 12 is gonna be 13. 13, this one, 8, 1 plus 8, 9. So, 3 lah. 13 over 3. That's going to be your answer for our A there. Okay, the value of dy dx when at x equals to negative 4. Okay, then it's asking for us to find the equation of the tangent. So just now, okay, when we have the value of x equals to negative 4 just now, right? So what I'm going to get over here is my my value of y. Okay, y equals to just now x, just copy back that one is 1 minus with 2x, right? Okay, when our value here, okay, the value of x here is negative 4, means that I'm going to find first my y value. So means that my y value over here, you are going to get y, this one is negative 4 first, right? Negative 4 square root of 1 minus with 2, this one also negative 4. So what I'm going to get for my y value over here is going to be 3. Negative 4 times 3 is going to be negative 12. Okay, so what did we have over here? The value of x is negative 4, and the value of y here, we are going to get negative 12, right? So what happened over here, if I want to find the equation of the tangent for b, this is for b, so if I want to find the equation of tangent, what happened? Y minus with y1, where your y1 over here is negative 12, okay, equals to, okay, this one you are using just now what we have, 13 over 3 just now when x equals to negative 4, right? 13 over 3, and then in the bracket over here, x minus with our x1, negative 4. Okay, this one be careful because the value of x and y here is negative. So what happened over here, if you look, negative become positive, this one negative become positive because of my m over here, okay, is over 3. So what should I do? We are going to times everything with 3. So this one I'm gonna get 3y 12 minus times 3, I'm gonna get 36 equals to this one straight away 13 times with x, 13x, 13 times with 4, I'm going to get 52. So this one I can have 3y minus with 13x equals to 52 minus with 36, I'm going to get 16. Also can, if you want to change our to get 3y equals to 13x plus 16 also can, no problem. Okay, that's going to be for our equation of the tangent. Okay, next one, the equation of normal. Okay, so just now, if you look, your m1 here is 13 over 3. So I'm going to find for my m2 first lah. Okay, so we know that m1, m2 equals to -1. So this one is 13 over 3. So means you are going to get for your m2 over here is going to be -3 over 13, right? So if I'm going to find my second, the third one here is going to be my normal. So using the same one just now, y, this one straight away lah, because minus with -12 also, but this one I just straight away lah. Okay, equals to, this one we got our -3 over 13, and this one also I'm going to straight away x plus 4 lah. Actually x minus with -4, right? With what we have just now, but I straight away. Okay, this one also I'm going to times by everything with 13. Why times by 13? Because of our fraction here, right? Yes, I show you side by side over here. The one is for the tangent, this is for the normal for C here. Okay, so what you are going to get, this one is 13 times y is going to be 13y. 13 times 12, you are going to get 156. Okay, this one straight away -3x and also -12. Oh, everything is going to be negative over here. So I want to make it positive. I'm going to bring everything to the left side. Plus with 3x, and then 156 plus with 12 is 168 equals to 0. Also, okay, no problem. Okay, so this is going to be for your normal equation. That's it. Thank you very much.